And on October the 4th, 2000, came the moment that, however inevitable it might have been, no true Mini enthusiast ever wanted to see. To the strains of the theme tune from The Italian Job, 60s pop star Lulu, herself a former Mini owner, drove the last ever original Mini off the Longbridge production line.
Gotta get a moving, move on. Jump in the junkyard, get straight. Hurry up, late, it's gonna be late.
We've not only produced the last Mini, but we've also produced the first Longbridge-built Rover 75 saloon, on time and to its exacting quality standards. An outstanding modern saloon and the winner of multiple awards,